Hey everyone, today I'm excited to share with you the best super easy tips for growing your nails faster in just 3 days. Trust me, these tricks work wonders and have helped me achieve stronger, healthier nails in no time. First up, let's talk about rubbing castor oil into your nails every night before bed. This simple habit has a surprising effect on your nail growth. Make sure to wash it off in the morning to avoid any sticky residue. Next, incorporate vitamin supplements into your daily routine. They're not only great for promoting nail growth but also provide a host of other benefits for your overall health and well-being. And finally, massage some organic coconut oil onto your cuticles every night before bed. This not only helps strengthen your nails but also keeps them looking healthy and shiny. So there you have it, 3 super easy tips to help you grow your nails faster in just 3 days. Give them a try and let me know how they work for you. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more awesome tips and tricks like this one. Until next time.